sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. La di la di la di di di. La di la di la di 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 di.
So this is the living room area, and it's so dramatic with the ceiling, and I'll let y'all see that here in just a minute. We really taught her husband, so he couldn't see the vision in our heads, but we knew what we want. But the ceiling turned out beautiful, and it carries over into their master bedroom, which is gorgeous. And they did this back wall. They didn't do shiplap. They actually did what you call the V, not double V groove. It's just the lap board. It's just a V-grooved lap board. It's not shiplap, and it's not double V-groove. Double V-groove would give you an extra line in it, and it would look almost like beadboard. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think that when we do purchase a new home, we're going to use this type of lap board in some areas to add interest. So I'll let y'all see that in a minute. We're gonna work on this area here. I have my tackle boxes that she purchased from me, and I'm just gonna kind of place them here and there, and then mix in some other elements.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Ooh. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling at me, as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing a song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting older and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shiver and cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you.
I could not leave without showing y'all my favorite place in the house. They built this deck all the way across the back of this older home, and oh my gosh, I love it. She's got swings out here. She's got all kinds of goodies. I mean, it is beautiful. Little refrigerator, so she doesn't even have to go inside. I just wanted y'all to see how pretty this was. And the view is gorgeous. I love this house.
Wide awake like it's the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat.